Tuesday morning, watch the movie. Tuesday morning, watch the movie. This Tuesday morning, after 7 days, I can't come here and publicly and then I word ek weer pap. Then they must have offered me something for me to stay. I'm not that type of a leader. Ek val waar my mense val. Ek staan waar my mense staan. Ek is die type of leader. Julle het te gewoond, julle het leaders wat op die tafel sit en alleen eet op die tafel. I can't expect people to resign, then I still stay there. Tuesday morning, if I don't resign, you must never vote for the PA again. You must never. If I don't resign, the only thing that will make me stay is if his Kenny Kunene is being reinstated. Ek sal julle nooit uitverkoop nie. Julle is gewoond vir uitverkopers. Ek is al 20 jaar in die kansel, maar dat niks verander nie. Ek is al 30 jaar in die politiek.